11 mangoes brought for rupees 10 and 10 mangoes sold for rupees 11. The profit percentage is, here 11 mangoes brought for rupees 10 and 10 mangoes sold for rupees 11. So you will definitely have profit. Now the percentage we have to find. Here cost price of 11 mangoes is rupees 10. Therefore for 1 mango CP equals to 10 divided by 11, right? So this is the CP for 1 mango. Selling price for 10 mangoes is 11. So SP for 1 mango equals to 11 upon 10. That is SP, right? Now what do you mean by profit? Profit is SP minus CP. So 11 upon 10 minus 10 upon 11. Cross. So you get 121 minus 100 upon 110, right? So that is 21 upon 110. But do you want profit? You want profit percent. So profit percent is what? Profit upon CP into 100. So profit, that is 21 upon 110 upon CP. What is CP? 10 upon 11. 10 upon 11 into 100. Right? And note this very carefully. 21 upon 110, this is the profit, and CP is 10 upon 11. So divide everything into 100 because you want percentage. Now what is this form? Here A upon B, the whole upon C upon D. A upon B, the whole upon C upon D. The answer to this is always this D comes up and it becomes AD, means A multiplied by D, and this BC come together. So B multiplied by C. So it will be 21 into 11 upon 110 into 10, right? The whole into 100. So what gets cancelled? Check this. 11 gets cancelled. 2 zeros go. So 21 remains. The profit percent is 21.